Hi Om.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning. Welcome to my farm.
Okay.
And we have so many vegetables and trees and plants.
Okay. Are you going to show all of them to your friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are all carrots and they are almost 2 months.
Oh, they are 2 months old now?
Yeah.
Okay. And who put the seeds for these all carrot?
Me and Ato.
Okay.
And I.
Okay.
3 of us. This is a little bit hard to pull, but Mommy will pull it.
Okay, I will do it for you. And that's under the soil, yeah?
Yeah. For plants, we need sun, which is already here,
Okay.
and we need air, which is also already here, and we also need soil, which is also already here.
Okay.
And there is one thing that we don't have.
Water. We have water as
I
well.
mean,
We have water.
there is one thing that
We need to give, yeah?
that we have to give, right?
Yeah, there's water. Look, the water coming from here.
Yeah.
Yes?
There's already water in some plants here.
Yes.
There's some water drops too. So this is the gate from our
Our farm?
yeah.
Yeah, we took
And-
it from here.
And as I said, these are 2 months old, right?
Yes, so after
As I
15
said.
okay, and after 15 or 20 days the carrot will be even bigger than this, yeah?
Yeah. And a different color.
Yes, little bit bigger than this.
This is
And we don't put any kind of chemicals in our farm, so it's totally organic plants and vegetables and
eat.
everything. Yeah?
to eat.
Yes,
First
to eat.
we also have to clean this.
Yes.
Because it's under the soil.
Yeah, and our Shivani and Tori, our horses, love carrots. Yeah?
We have to
And I'm going to eat as well because you get vitamin A from carrot. Yes? And what is that?
That's beetroot, but it's still small.
Okay, yeah, it will grow slowly, yeah?
Yeah. And these are all beetroot plants here. And all of beetroots and all of our plants are organic.
Okay.
Super organic.
Okay.
And there are no chemicals inside. Right?
Yes,
No chemicals.
yes. Healthy food.
Yeah. So everyone can eat.
Yes. Oh, you got big one?
Yeah.
Yes,
This is a big beetroot, huh?
Yes.
And these are its roots.
Okay.
You could already see it in the small one, but those were bigger than this one. Right?
Yes.
Whoa! Almost going to fall down into this plant. Garlic behind me.
Okay, can you take one? This is very healthy for?
Winter.
Yes. Pull, you can do it. Or try another one. Or you want to try the same?
Yeah. Whoa.
Wait, let me help. Oh, you can do it almost. Yes. So these are green
I
garlics.
wanted to pull out the flower one.
That's coriander, huh?
Oh, I just forgot.
Okay.
Behind me, these are sweet potato and these are coriander.
Yes, very fresh and you can smell even, yes?
Yeah. And this is a part of a plant that is flower.
Okay.
Oh, fenugreek.
ये क्या है हम?
Fenugreek.
Okay, is it very healthy?
Yeah. These are spring onions.
Okay, yes, fresh one. Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa. I can't even see the color of it.
yeah, because hold it. Yes.
Whoa.
We just need to clean that, okay? What you can see behind you? There's brinjal plants. What is it?
Brinjal plants.
Okay, and we got some very tasty brinjals there, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you show please?
One is here. There's so many.
One is here, the big one, and one little one here.
And this already has water, so I'm not going to go inside.
Okay, that's wet. That's why, yeah?
Yeah. Otherwise, my corks will get stuck.
Okay.
These are tomato plants, but these are still green color. But when these are red color, then we can eat these.
Okay, so still we need to wait, yeah?
Yeah. Behind me, you can see a big farm, and that is wheat.
Yes, all of them, yeah?
Yeah, this is baju, millet. So we can eat roti.
Rotlo.
Wotlo.
Yeah, rotlo with makhan, yes?
Wotlo with makhan. These are radish and these are mommy's favorite.
Oh, yes.
I don't like those spikes though. Talking about plants, I mean parts of plants. I was almost going to say it upside down like plants of parts.
Okay,
I
now.
was almost going to say it upside down.
Okay, now start.
Like these are flowers and these are leaves and these to a bud and
And these are branches here, yeah?
there's branches.
And stem.
Yeah.
Underneath somewhere there.
There's strong stem, huh?
Uh-huh.
The super duper strong stem. Almost like a tree. Almost.
Okay.
Whoa. We have our dragon fruit, and here is our. I think I got a spider web
Okay.
from here. And this is our lemon tree here. And I only see yellow color ones,
Okay.
right? You can see big plants behind me, and that big plant and this big plant is jua.
Yes.
And we give this for our animals.
Yeah, for our cow, yeah?
Yeah.
And
Just
horses and cows. And what we get from cow?
milk.
Fresh milk, yeah?
Yeah.
And makhan and doodh and chas and everything, yeah?
And
We can
and
make
birds
it.
also eat this every day
Yeah.
without even cutting it.
Yeah,
They-
they love this. Yeah.
They can't cut this, so they just come here and eat it. Because
Okay.
they can't cut this.
Okay.
And last, we are going to sow a type of food.
Yeah, and
That
that's...
Chiku. These are chiku, and we can make a chiku smoothie.
Mm-hmm. Chiku kulfi. And we can just eat like that. It's very healthy, yeah?
Yes. And we can also
And very
make,
tasty fruit.
And we can also make chiku milkshake
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
by mixing it from the mixer.
Yeah, with milk.
Yeah. And last but not least, that's Shivani and that's Toad's there.
Okay.
And we have two dogs as well.